Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today we have come to Central Park of Salt Lake, which is also known as Banabitan. So we have come here, and so we'll take a short view of this park. And those who want to come to this park, let me tell you, there is a dedicated parking beside the park which we didn't see. So we have parked our car afar off and we had to come by foot, and the entry fee is 100 rupees, and if you come during the morning work time, this entry fee is still not there in force.
50 rupees per.
And the charges are 50 rupees per head per adult. So let's take a stroll of this park. Friends, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and your subscription gives us more encouragement to make videos for you. This park is also known as Couples Park. Couples can enjoy their special moments here and free from any disturbances and also from peeping crowd. This place is full of greenery and water bodies, and if you really want to enjoy the nature, this is an ideal park for you. There is a boating service here, but today I found the boating service was not available, so we gave up the idea of boating. The park gives some splendid natural views, and you can't believe it that there is such a beautiful park full of greenery and water bodies inside the concrete jungle of Salt Lake. So friends, let's enjoy the park and enjoy the beauty of this park through my lenses. Friends, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and your subscription gives us more encouragement to make videos for you. These are the different species of birds you can find here in Banabitan, and if you are lucky enough, you can see large number of varieties here. But today there is a good number of crowd, and there is also loud DJ music playing just in front of the park, and I think it is really difficult to see the birds today as very few are there. And oh yes, finally I am lucky to see one, and let me capture it through my lens. Friends, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and your subscription gives us more encouragement to make videos for you. This is the snake park area, And if you come during monsoon, you may be lucky to see enough different species of snakes. There are different type of cobras, king cobras. Then I all the names are written here. I cannot read out all the names. But if you like to see the snakes, you can also come here and you can see during the month of monsoon. But since it is winter, you cannot see any snakes at this moment. Central Park or Banabitan tour comes to an end. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this.
Please subscribe.
And thank you very much and goodbye.